Computer courses offer numerous skills that can be beneficial for youth. Here are some skills that can be developed through computer courses. Computer literacy, digital world and utilizing various computer tools effectively. Programming and coding. Learning programming languages like Python, Java, or C++ enables youth to develop software, websites, and mobile applications. Coding skills foster logical thinking, problem-solving abilities, and creativity in designing solutions. Web development. Web development courses teach the skills necessary to create and maintain websites. This includes HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and frameworks like Bootstrap or WordPress. Web development skills are in high demand, and being proficient in this field can lead to job opportunities or entrepreneurial ventures. Data analysis. Courses in data analysis equip youth with the skills to collect, interpret, and draw insights from data. Learning tools like Excel, SQL, and data visualization software enables them to analyze trends, make informed decisions, and communicate data effectively. Graphic design. Courses in graphic design teach youth how to create visually appealing designs using software like Adobe Photoshop, Illustrator, or InDesign. This skill is valuable for marketing, branding, and creative industries. Cybersecurity. With the growing threat of cybercrime, understanding cybersecurity is crucial. Computer marketing courses provide knowledge in areas such as social media marketing, search engine optimization, SEO, content creation, and online advertising. These skills are essential for businesses to thrive in the digital landscape. Database management. Learning database management systems like MySQL or Oracle enables youth to organize, store, and retrieve data efficiently. This skill is valuable for businesses, organizations, and data-driven decision-making. Project management. Courses in project management equip youth with skills to plan, execute, and monitor projects effectively. They learn techniques for scheduling, resource allocation, team coordination, and risk management using project management software. Cloud computing. As businesses move towards cloud-based solutions, understanding cloud computing platforms like Amazon Web Services, Oz, or Microsoft Azure is highly advantageous. Courses on cloud computing provide skills in deploying, managing, and scaling applications in the cloud. These are just a few examples of skills that can be acquired through computer courses. Depending on individual interests and career goals, youth can explore specialized areas within the vast field of computer science and technology. Thanks for watching.